All right, let's check. You can't see my screen, right?
Nah.
Good. You don't want to.
It's porn.
Let's see. Sorta. It's my E-Trade account. Okay.
Yeah, it's better than porn.
Actually, yeah. I just wanted to pull up Dell.
Like if Dell's up 80%, that means it almost fucking doubled.
Dell beats estimates as server sales soar.
Yeah, like what you see in extended hours is what I see in Barron's. But who knows if it updated? Oh, server sales soar 80%, not the stock.
Oh.
I was like, dude, 80%? It's up, according to Barron's, 3.31%. I mean, it keeps fluctuating because the price is fluctuating, but about 3.3%.
So I should tell our friend your stock's not up 80%.
Yeah, I mean, definitely correct yourself. The stock is up over 3% because their sales increased by 80%.
Now you have a Dell computer, right?
No.
Dell has emerged as a top vendor for servers that can handle artificial intelligence workloads, especially those based around NVIDIA chips, as demand skyrockets from cloud providers. Earlier this year, NVIDIA CEO JH called out Dell's founder, MD, as the person to contact to place orders for systems that include the company's new chip. Thanks for the shout out, baby. That's kind of nice of them, huh?
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Let's look at Dell real quick. Now, I don't own Dell. We know someone who was buying it.
Yeah, the chart, I mean, still a stage 2.
Wow, look at that. Man, I don't know. I don't like this big fucking gap over here. This here,
Mm-hmm.
I like that. Now for swing trading, you can come up into here. What's the one that I showed you? Etsy?
Yeah, Etsy.
I think I put that in the chart pack. I was going to talk to you about this. I was reading on it. I think you were doing fun stuff, and I was reading on Etsy. Look, Bitcoin's back down again. Damn it.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm wanting it to go up so bad.
Yeah, I was gonna buy some more. I was focused on getting the merchandise in.
Oh, merch. It's over tomorrow, right? At 3:00.
Yeah. There's 20 hours left.
So what I'm gonna do is everyone that's my friend that hasn't ordered, I'm not gonna speak to them until the next time.
Yeah, my last order, I even ordered you something.
Did you now?
Yeah.
And then some people have been in the MFG and they can't be bothered to order.
Yeah, I got you a little surprise.
All right, so we're not looking at Dell. Dell throughout NVIDIA, that's kind of what I wanted to.
And then, yeah,
Amazon.
NVIDIA dropped 6% today.
Oh, Etsy. You saw this trade, right?
Yeah, that was one with the down sloping channel.
You see that channel?
Yeah.
And then you can see it here. Little doji.
Yeah, and you could code up to 62.
There's one right here. Yeah, we could just run it to 6. That'd be a nice little swing trade. Got to stop right down here, right out of the, look at that. Sideways up, sideways down, sideways, right up. And it's been doing these little money flow patterns. That real estate one. Oh, Amazon. I got to go in and clean this up. If you guys don't have the chart pack. Was Amazon in the news?
I saw something about Amazon and Google.
Silver's hanging in there. I'm in this trade. I don't even know in this world what would move silver anymore. You know, it seems just weird once you know Bitcoin.
Positive thinking.
Well, yeah, we all think positive. The Fed's preferred inflation indicator is out Friday. Here's what to expect. The Commerce Department at 8:30 Eastern, that'll be 7:30 my time, 8:30 your time, Josie, will release its personal consumption expenditure price index, PCE, for July. Reading the Dow Jones consensus sees little change in the recent trends, increasing both headline and core prices. I don't give a fuck. Do you?
Nah.
The Commerce Department will release its personal consumption expenditure price index. Bleh.
Oh, here. Discretionary stocks are set to rally. Why Amazon and Tesla hold the key.
That's an article.
Yeah, on Barron's.
Is it? It's a news. It's a. I mean, obviously a news, but it's like a. Is it on the timeline?
Oh, let me see. So like I'm on the Barron's homepage on topics, and then the biggest one is Dow notches record, Nasdaq loses steam and closes lower. But then like 2 stories down with the bullet points, it says discretionary stocks are set to rally. Why Amazon and Tesla hold the key.
No, we're in both of these.
Yeah.
I'm in TSLL.
Yeah, and I'm in that. And TLSY.
Look at this 5 minute.
So it's for the morning. It's set up.
Yeah. I mean, that chart doesn't look good though, bro. I mean, to me, it looks like Tesla's coming down into this range. You see what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's rolling over.
And to me, that's a supply zone. Or, you know,
yeah, the stage 2 breakout failed. And if it goes back into a stage 1, that's pretty bearish. So if it goes lower, that's where you're expecting it to go.
That's where I would expect, at least down probably toward the bottom of that. And then look at Google. I was excited about this one.
Yeah, I'm in GGLL.
And so I think, I don't know how far we want to ride this down. I don't know, position trading it. I mean, I might do a double stop. I might get out of some here and some here. I mean, I don't see any reason to ride it down to here. $6-7, do you?
No, definitely not if it's a swing trade.
Yeah, I mean, I'd sell half if it hits there, sell the other half if it hits there, and then I'd wait to get back in it later. But this may hold.
Yeah, I have on my list to trim Cisco tomorrow and roll it to GGLL.
So she's talking about Cisco, and Cisco's trading at fair value.
Yeah, you had posted it in the Discord. It was overvalued, so I was thinking about just trimming 1 or 2 shares to roll it into my position in GGLL.
Yeah, and I think this holds as support right here. Previous resistance, see that?
Yeah.
Becomes support. How cool is that?
Yeah, I've been looking at your chart pack, like you explain it, like you show where previous resistance becomes support, and then or later in the chart where support became support became resistance. It's kind of cool when you actually see it.
Yeah, sometimes it's just right on the money, huh? And sometimes you'll notice if you're getting the chart pack, you may see the same chart a couple of times. I'm just showing it to you in different ways. So right here's the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. Look at it.
Yeah, like if you want to get a precise entry into Bitcoin, you're going to drop down to the 1 hour, especially or if you're stocking Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
The 1 hour,
here's Airbnb.
And then almost when it takes off on the 1 hour, you're done buying it. Because then if on the daily it turns into a stage 2, like you've already been buying it on precisely on the 1 hour. So you could buy the breakout, but if you're already buying it with the 1 hour and following it that closely,
we could snipe it and buy like $250,000 position.
Yeah.
Make some real money. Write it up. I got to go to Campfire Real Estate.
You can't be 5 minutes late.
I can be. I'm recording right now. I'll post this on there and tell them that we'll be live tomorrow morning. Unless I get really drunk or... I'll be there, man. I'm just teasing. I don't drink anymore. I quit all that stuff ever since I've been doing yoga.
Yeah, then you started meditation and you just had a whole fucking life revamp.
Yeah, and that all happened this afternoon.
I thought it happened like 2 weeks ago when you woke up at 7 a.m. That
happens,
was the first step.
It happens every day. Every day. Man, I had another good one. That NVIDIA, I would wait.
Yeah, I put in the letter that it wasn't a buy right now, but it's definitely on their watch list.
Yeah, and if you guys hit that QR code up there to the...
And the Dow hit another all-time high today.
That way, hit that QR code, man, and get on our email list.
Gold keeps going.
Did gold go fuck up? Look at this thing.
Slightly.
It's beating Bitcoin, dude. All right, we got oil moving up.
Yeah, the SPY still looks good. Bonds might be rolling over. I hope they do, just so we can buy more.
Yeah. Look at this doji right here. That is the absolute perfect box. You know?
Yeah.
I mean, it's square.
Especially because that one big bar came back into the box and closed like right at the 5.
Yep. And then you get the doji, and it's just, it takes off. And that's already $5 from there.
Yeah, and then like it even tagged the 200. Like it seems silly to us, but it's still, if you got in at 142 and you're trimming at 149, you had 100 or 1,000 shares at $7,000.
And it's easy
for a simple trade.
Yeah, it's easy. Look over here. I did it too. They're right there, right?
Yeah.
It goes straight up, and that's about $6-7. So if you play options, if you wanted to leverage it, or you could do other shit with oil. We're doing that.
And then in our portfolio, we got Coca-Cola, 3M, and MO that just keep going up.
Let me take this down. Yeah, look at that. That's 3M. Remember, it wasn't that long ago. Everybody's crying.
Yeah, KO just keeps going.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. And then
all through here, I'm telling people I wouldn't buy it. It's not on sale.
Yeah.
And
then you also got MO and PM at extremes. Like MO's like at all-time highs.
Look at this thing. But an MO, according to Morningstar, is still undervalued. PM is overvalued. But this thing always trades at a premium.
Yeah, and Gilead finally tagged an extreme RSI. But the other ones we were trimming earlier in the week, like that hit RSIs, like Starbucks, Nike.
Starbucks was a trade of the week.
Yeah, in the beginning of the week, Starbucks, Roku, and Nike were all at extremes, but they're not anymore. But Coca-Cola and 3M are.
That's what I'm saying. I remember when I was on with another influencer, and he had his students, and that guy's like, there's nothing going up. Fuck, what are you talking about?
Yeah, it's a bull market, bro.
Yeah, it's like shit's going up, dude. Like the XLP consumer.
And that you got to see that stock affirm. Like, I don't know, it popped $10. Like,
did it really? Are you in that? Is this your way?
No, I just saw it on Barron's. Or no, I saw it on stock charts, like in the dashboard. I always check the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow, and the New York Stock Exchange for like the stocks that did the best and the worst. And that's where I see a firm up 31%. I thought it was
Bro,
a type. I thought stock charts was like having a malfunction from saying how much these stocks are up, because it shows this Lucy healthcare stock up 53% and a firm up 31. But when I looked at the chart, it was right.
This is like the same chart as Etsy.
A firm?
Yeah. So look.
But they reported earnings, and they said that they expect to be profitable by the end of 2025. That's why the stock apparently popped today. But yeah, it looks like Etsy just a down channel.
What is Etsy?
ETSY.
That's right. Yeah, so same thing, man. Sloping down. You're seeing that little sideways, and now we hope it runs. That is literally this. I mean,
yeah.
Now, once it broke out of this channel, this thing could run, man. You know, this could be an in-play stock for like day trading. Let me check a 1 minute for real quick. Look at that. See that doji?
I can't see your chart.
Yeah, it's not perfect one, is it? There's one there, one too.
I'm gonna look at and this medical equipment healthcare company, Lucy, Innovative Eyewear, is up 53% today.
What's the ticker?
LUCY.
See, this could kind of shit the professor shorts.
Oh, okay. So once it gets to 27, he starts writing it down.
Yeah, he'll wait for that RSI to hit. So you see up in here?
Yeah.
And what he's waiting for is this box to break. Same thing we'd wait for down here. And then he puts a stop up here and he rides it down. Only when it's dumb shit like this.
Yeah, like it seems like in the NASDAQ, all these stocks that are up a bunch are dumb stocks.
Oh, and I didn't show it to him. But here's it is, guys. It popped real big, and then it sells off. Pops, sells off. Pops, it's probably going to sell off. Easy
like
short.
In the S&P, like the Best Buy was up 14%.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't.
Yeah, I'm not in that, but I'm just saying, like at least in these stocks I've heard of, like in the S&P, these stocks in the NASDAQ that are up crazy percents, I'm not in. Like this other stock.
Well, there's probably a lot of short covering. That's why it popped like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the stock Singularity, SGLY, is up 35%.
We should look and see what Etsy short position is. See if it's more than 20%. All right, I need to get on Campfire, but let me take this down. We're gonna be live in the morning, right?
Yeah, is this like how my camera looks is good?
Yeah, looks good. Mine looks better, so it makes me look, like the goat.
I do like that.
Yeah, I like that better.
Yeah, okay. It's just, yeah. Better than the long ways?
Yep, I like that better. But, I like that better. But, yeah, guys, we'll be on here in the morning. We're going to try to do it at 8 a.m. Plan is 8 to 9. Maybe not go all the way to 9, but first 30 minutes, we can look at regular charts, talk about news, and then I'm going to start live trading. I don't know if I'll do the 1 minute, maybe I don't know. We'll see. Right?
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, the 5 minute looks like
5 minutes
it's set to run, so there might be lots of opportunities on the 1 minute.
That's what I'm saying. 5 minute might be kind of slow for a live feed, unless you're just talking away, If you had a guest on and you're live trading while they're talking, that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Or if you were talking to them while I'm trading, that would be fun because then people could listen and watch. I've never seen that done before. That might be annoying to the guests, but they'll get over it.
I mean, yeah, if they're learning, everything's gonna be annoying. If you're not if you're on here trading live as a guest, you're probably trying to learn something.
Oh, that's an idea. We could bring people on to trade with me as our guests that have been in. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Oh, Radiance would like to come on.
Yeah.
I'm sure. I mean, sure, a lot of people would. They don't even have to day trade with us. They can just talk.
Just talk.
Yeah, but if they want to trade, I could ask them too. What do you think? Where's the anchor point and shit?
Yeah, which would just be a learning experience.
Yeah. So they ask me a question, then I ask them chart questions while we answer their question. That'd be fun. Their brain can handle it. If your brain can handle it. I know mine can. All right, man. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
All right. See you in the morning. I'm going to go live on Campfire Real Estate.
All right. See you on Campfire.